This is the Sanctuary of Truth. This is what to expect, guys. This is the reality. We haven't even got in and we're officially in trouble. So apparently I don't look enough like this guy. What? We've got to wear a hard hat? I'm looking a lot different to what it was at the start. I've got my hard hat on. These men here are some of the few out of the hundreds of people that are responsible for building all these structures. It's all based off math. So he's actually got his ruler up. This isn't done by accident. Am I going good? Right here, I've got the same feeling as when I went to Egypt and I was in the pyramids. They've all got like their stretched ears, their beards, similar to me. They've got like 5 horses with their big horse dicks sticking out. You got some fallen soldiers, so to speak. Where are you guys from? Oh, what are we doing? Fist pumps? Where are you guys from?
Yeah, from India.
India. He was a multi-millionaire and he wanted to do something with his money. Hello guys and welcome to Pattaya. Disneyland for adults, as they say. And when I say adults, I use that term very lightly. I mean for men. So it's not all about the drinking, the bars, the women. There's plenty of things to do here as well. And today we have chosen a couple of these things. So we're going to the floating market and we're also going to this temple, the Sanctuary of Truth. Awesome. Let's sit in the front. I reckon it'll be good. Oh, cool. Oh, you got me a coffee. For me. Thank you. I'm joking.
Sorry sir, I cannot know speak
English, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
I need to speak Thai. It's all good. How far? Distance? Kilometer?
Okay,ครับผม.
Time. Okay, we'll just have to wing it and see what happens. See you, buddy. So guys, we are rolling, we are out on the road. I've had a look at his little navigator, so I think we've got about 14 minutes to get there. But hey, this is 1,000 baht for the taxi. You get the driver as well. And the best thing about it is once they take you to the attractions, they're happy to sit in the taxi, wait for you, then come drive you to the next one and then drop you home. So there's none of this like having to get on your phone and order a new taxi or a Grab or an Uber or anything like that. This guy, he'll wait for you, so pretty good deal. So he's gonna wait there in the car, but he had this little tied to English translator, and it's just funny how it gets translated. It said, "The man goes on the trip, this man waits in car." But yeah, we got it after a while. So yep, me going on the trip and we're heading down this way somewhere. This is the Sanctuary of Truth, right here. It's massive. They're still fixing it. You can see the scaffolding right at the top there. Have a look at this line. It's crazy. I don't usually jump on tour lines. I just like to do my own thing. So if we can get to the end of this line, what I'll do is wait till everyone's gone through and take you on our own tour. This is what to expect, guys. This is the reality. Once we get through, I'm just gonna go to the exact back. I'm gonna like dawdle behind and then I'm gonna wait till everyone goes past. And then we're just gonna go on our own little tour. Guys, there's just gonna be 1,000 people in the way. But I don't know, she's saying something about 2 minutes up there.
Too short, not inside.
Too short?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, we haven't even got in and we're officially in trouble. So apparently I don't look enough like this guy. Didn't wear my 3/4 today. I've got to pay a 200 baht fine, which actually gets me. See, this is what I've done wrong. See any similarities here? So 200 baht, and I'm going to get dressed up in one of these. So I pay you the money?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Where do I put this on? Oh, I have to put my name down?
Yeah, your name.
Okay.
Here.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And so I just put those on.
Yeah.
I step into this?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I the only one who got in trouble today, or has there been other people? This thing looks a bit ridiculous, doesn't it? So obviously everyone's followed the rules. I didn't know about these rules. But hey, we've got to the back of the line. Hopefully we Well, there we go, guys. There is nothing wrong with getting in trouble from time to time. You get some cool longer shots, and hey, we're at the back of the line, so we don't have all these people in front of us. So guys, it's just gonna be me and you while we walk down here to get to the temple. So as you can see, we've got some beautiful trees, some beautiful vines. We've got bird noises. I think that could be a speaker. They've just got like Spotify bird noises playing. It sounds a little bit fake, but hey, it might sound all good for the video. But yeah, this is what you can expect. We just walk down here. We've got some fake tigers, so don't be scared of those. Some fake elephants. But we've got some beautiful wood carving statues here just to get us started. Was it good there? It was good?
Yeah. Hot.
Very good. I just want to point out I don't usually wear these shorts. They made me wear them. Yeah. Yeah, just thought I'd let them know because I don't want them judging me. But hey, let's go. What? We've got to wear a hard hat? This is not a construction site. Hi. Where are we going to work, are we? I did not think we were working today, but we have to wear this. Is this compulsory? We have to wear this, or it's a choice? Okay, I can't get a straight answer, but hey, we're gonna chuck on the hat. We've got the pants on, so yeah, let's get into our work gear. I'm looking a lot different to what it was at the start. I've got my hard hat on, got some weird maroon pants, and I've lost the group. I don't know where the group is. Which way did we go? But oh, they're down there. It's good because she's speaking really loud on the mega speaker. Oh, it makes sense because I was reading on Wikipedia that it's still being built. It was first started in the 80s, so technically we are on a construction site, so I guess they need to follow PPE regulations. But here we have the guys that are actually responsible here chipping away. Look at this. So these men here are some of the few out of the hundreds of people that are responsible for building all these structures. Amazing. How you doing, my friend? How are you? How are you? How are you? Alright, so the group's gone that way, but you know us, we like to make our own tours, don't we? We go off the beaten track a little bit. Yeah, we see how things are really done, and you know, we get in trouble from time to time, but hey, we get the good footage. So look at this. It's all based off math. So he's actually got his ruler up. This isn't done by accident. This guy knows exactly what he's doing. He's probably got an engineering degree. He's probably got a woodwork trade. Maybe he's got nothing, but he knows what he's doing better than me. Look at that. So that's the sort of piece that's going to be placed shortly. Maybe a little bit of sanding, a bit of a finish and some varnish. These men and women are super talented for what they do, their craft. Like that is their full-time job, just to be chipping away here. We've got men, we've got women. Everyone working away on their own individual pieces. As you can see, they've got their texture marks here, which need to be carved out, all marked out, and then they just work towards that. They've got all their different tools, paperwork for how the structure's meant to be, and yeah, chip away, so to speak. They just got a job. Yeah, I don't know, they didn't know I was part of the tour, and I'm the newest guy here, so we're just gonna chip some of the wood out. So as we can see, we just put it right here on the markings.
ตัวเลยชับยานะโชว์มาชาแน่ลูก
Am I going good? Ah, okay, okay. And I've got that kind of blade.
อืม
So
เอ๊ะ
good.
ဒီတော့ပြတာကိုအဲ့လောက်အုံနောက်ကောင်းတာ You see yeah
Ah, can I get a job here or no? I'm no good.
yeah look easy
Easy. Her blade's better. I
Yeah.
quit.
Hey,
I quit.
I quit
I quit. Guys, I've lost a tour. I've lost my job. I don't know where we're going. And I've probably lost my mind too. But have a look at this. We've got some more structures here. This is maybe like a little model of what it's meant to be. So they sort of look at this each day and they go, okay, we're going to be building this part today. And then they can work their way through, just a scale sized. Or maybe I'm just talking absolute nonsense. But hey, it's cool to see. Oh man, check it out, we are here. We've left the tour. They're going to the right over there, but we're gonna go to the left and walk around and check it out ourselves. So amazing, there's so much detail in this. I just can't believe the amount of work that goes into it. Right here, I've got the same feeling as when I went to Egypt and I was in the pyramids and I walked up and I touched it. But I'll let you guys in on a little secret. This is not thousands of years old. It's not even hundreds of years old. They started this in, I believe, 1981. And they're still building it today. But let's just go along and just take a look. Take a look at all the detail. Like, look at that face. Someone's had to sit there and chisel that out. And that's just one part of a million different little detailed sections. Super, super impressed by that. We've got all these little men there doing different yoga poses, I believe. All little decorations around there, little flowers, all different kinds of shapes. And it's just the whole thing. And you can see that this would need a lot of maintenance. You can see that the paint or the varnish is sort of coming off in sections. So yeah, and it does have the common wood cracking that you see. So yeah, this will probably be a lot of maintenance over the years. Oh, they've even got little detailed, like little animated faces on these guys. It's like they're holding up the timber and they're like, oh wow, it's collapsing. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if we can jump up on here. And I'll get you a close look at their faces. Check it out. They've all got like their stretched ears, their beards, similar to me. This guy doesn't look too happy. It just gets better, like the more you go around. You probably can't see this where that guy is, but they've got like 5 horses with their big horse dicks sticking out. So, you know, they don't miss anything. You know when they make like children's toys and it's like a doll and then like nothing is there? Nah, not here. If there's a horse, it's got a dick. Man, the level of detail. It's crazy, just even all the stairs up here. We've even got some busted out bits that are gonna need maintenance, but as I was saying, this is a construction site. So you've got hundreds of people here just building this every day. And when it's finished, you're still gonna have massive amounts of maintenance. Like this is just gonna be ongoing maintenance forever. So as you do see on the ground, you've got some fallen soldiers, so to speak. Ones that just did not last the test of time, and they've come off and they've probably got to rebuild all those bits there. So they've just sort of sat them there on the edge of the structure. And guys, before I continue showing you the rest of the temple, I just wanted to also point out that this is right here, built on a beach. So I'll show you the beach here. Absolute prime location. right here on the beautiful Pattaya coastline. The amazing spot for a wedding or an event. And there you go, the temple in all of its glory. So as we come around the corner here, you can really see the contrast of what's new, or probably what's been replaced rather, of the new parts with their new polish and their new color, and the existing older columns, which are very much due for a coating of paint or varnish, whatever they use. But see that grey and the brown and the goldish looking woods, these are all the same woods. They're just aged at different levels. But this staircase has some amazing detail on it, just like everything here, but it just continues to amaze me. The detail. There's just so much to look at, you don't know what to look at. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Yeah. It's good?
Yeah, good. Really good.
Hey, have a guess. How tall do you think that is? I just had a look on Google.
Oh.
How tall?
Tall. What?
You need an answer. How many meters do you think?
This. No, we don't know the history.
How tall? How tall do you think?
Tall. I think 2,000 feet.
1,000 feet? It's 100 meters. 100 meters. Photo?
Ah, yes.
Okay, let's go. Hey, the hard hat boys. Awesome. Where are you guys from? Oh, what are we doing? Fist pumps? Where are you guys from?
We're from India.
India? Which part? Where should I go?
Kerala.
Where's a good place to vlog over there?
Kerala. You just come Kerala. You can see a lot of
I'll
places.
come to Kedla. If I walk down the Kedla street, will I see you guys or too many people?
What? Sorry. Did you come there?
If I come to Kedla,
Okay.
I'll see
Ah,
you.
with us?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, also.
You guys tour me around.
You're always welcome to Kerala.
Always come.
You have a lot of fun there.
Good place?
Lot of places to see.
Yeah, nice, nice.
Fully green.
I'll
But
see.
not like a Pattaya.
Not like Pattaya?
Not like
Not naughty like Pattaya? Very well behaved people there in India. See you guys.
Yep.
So I'll give you a little bit of history about this place, thanks to our good friend Google. Now, they started building this in the early 80s. Early concepts were from the 70s, and it was a Thai man. He was a multi-millionaire and he wanted to do something with his money. So he purchased this block of land right on the water here, and he started designing and coming up with concepts for his idea for this temple. And still today, there's hundreds of people that are helping making his dream come true. The saddest part about that is he has passed away and he'll never get to see this. Sad, really. Beautiful. Can't wait to see what it looks like on the inside. It's just going to be high detail again. You can see right here in the columns. Huge amount of work hours. Can you imagine how many hours go into this? It's probably 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, potentially. The entire thing. And it just keeps going. More detail the further you come in. This place really does put Australian architecture and building to shame. I've never seen this much detail. This is so amazing. Absolutely crazy. Well, thanks for checking that out, guys. Would I recommend coming here? Yes, 100%. It's beautiful. But make sure you wear the correct pants, because these are too loose. They're falling down. It was quite expensive to borrow these, to be honest. But it's a beautiful structure. Never seen anything like it in my life. And hey, stay tuned for part 2. We're going to the floating markets. See you then.